Welcome to another edition of IMO Sports with Pedro Justice. There it is, the new king of the division, Teofimo Lopez. He came in here and set the tone. Lomachenko didn't know what hit him at first. It took Lomachenko way too long to get started, way too long to get heated up. Now, rounds 8, 9, 10, and 11, I give those rounds to Lomachenko. Those are his rounds. I mean, how can you not give it to him? So with that, 116, 112 at least. Now, Julie Letterman, I don't know what fight she was watching. Sure, Lopez dominated, but there's only 12 rounds. And if Lomachenko clearly won 4 of them, you got to at least give him 4 rounds. So, but besides that, it doesn't matter. Let's congratulate the young man, because in that 12th round, with everything on the line, he stood up to Lomachenko and said, "You're not going to bully me. I'm going to fight back. I'm young. I have heart. And I came to win this undisputed title." And that's what he did. I'm so impressed. The big matchup, the no crowd, no celebrities, all of those things, it kind of took away from the fight. But at the end of the day, one person came to fight, and his name was Lopez. Lomachenko, I mean, look at the emotion from Lopez. He's waiting. Hey, they knew they won. His father knew they had won the fight. What scorecards did you have? Look at that. Look at the emotion from the young man. What did you have the scorecard says? Lopez won this fight. Make no doubt about it. We're going to get the signature flip. Whoop! That's what you do when you become undisputed. The celebratory nature of this all. Congratulations. My hat's off to Teofimo Lopez. He earned it. Lomachenko was coming on strong at the end, and it looked a little shaky for Lopez, but he dug deep. He had a lot already in the bank, and then he finished it off in the 12th round, and that's what champions do. Do you believe that Lopez won this fight? You should. Let me know what you think. Until next time, it's Pedro Justice.